Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Vlogmas day 7. Just woke up, got my little cute Christmas PJs on. I just made some coffee, gonna have some breakfast, and I've got some things to do this morning. I actually have to work today, so it's gonna be a packed morning before I have to go in. I have some Poshmark orders that I need to fulfill. I also need to wrap some presents, and then afterward I have a few errands to run. I mentioned in yesterday's Vlogmas that I have a party that I'm going to, and that's actually tomorrow as to when I'm filming this, so got a lot to prepare for. Advent calendar day number 7. Oh, she big. Oh, I love these. Oh, okay, if I can get it out. Hello. God. So it's a huge candy cane that's root beer flavor. I love root beer anything. These are kind of like those candy sticks that you can get at Cracker Barrel if you've ever been there, but just in candy cane form. So yum, thanks Mom. So I actually have a couple of Poshmark orders that I need to package up and send out today. And I thought I would kind of take you guys through how I use my Poshmark. I've had it for probably like, I don't know, a little over 2 years now, and I've sold a ton of my things on there. I wish Poshmark sponsored this video, but none of this is sponsored. So if you're interested, my closet is called The Blunt Blonde. So what I do is I actually store my things that I want to sell in bins, so I don't have it hanging up anywhere, and it's just easier to kind of like finger through and see what each item is basically. The stuff in this bag is actually thicker, and I'm trying to save some space, so there are some thinner things in here. A lot of this is like spring, summer stuff, but it still sells, so I keep it around for a while. So I'm going to open this. I sold a wool skirt, which I actually see right here. Sorry, I know the lighting is a little off over here, but I just sold this little plaid wool mini skirt, and then the other thing I sold should be in here. So I sold this thicker varsity style sweater. So I'm going to take these downstairs and start to package them up and kind of take you through how I do that. Okay, so on to wrapping the Poshmark orders. So as far as wrapping materials go, I purchased myself just like some tissue paper. I also purchased some little notes so I can add in a personalized note to each order. And then I went ahead and bought in bulk just like these really cute printed mailers just to have like a little bit of personality. And then I mean, not everyone like wants to receive cute clothes in just these little USPS boxes. Sometimes it's necessary because like this sweater, for example, I can't fit it in this mailer. So I really try to amp up the packaging inside with the tissue paper, the note. I even have some washi tape that I close the tissue paper with when I wrap it. So I think personally that's one of the reasons why I keep having customers come back and buy stuff from my closet per se. So just try to make it a little bit more personalized and unique. So I went ahead and attached the mailing label beforehand. So I take one sheet of tissue paper and just kind of do a little foldy thing. We do this at work whenever we wrap clothes, so kind of used to that. So with the skirt, I'm just gonna fold it in half and then fold it over again. And I try to make the clothing, if this makes sense, like as skinny as possible, just because the mailer is narrower. So I fold it once, fold it twice, and then I seal it with some tape. And then with the note that I include, I usually write, if they're purchasing one item, enjoy your new skirt, for example, and then I sign it off. Or if it's a bundle, I'll do enjoy your new items and then sign it off. So today I'll do enjoy your new skirt. And once I've done that, I attach it on the top of the tissue paper, and then I just slide her on in. Mash it down and seal and that one is finished. Alright, outfit of the day. Hopefully you can see me. I'm about to head out to work and I've got a couple of errands to run, like I said. So very neutral look today, a very black look today. I have these platform croc boots on from Zara. I'll show you a close-up in a second. Zara jeans. My blazer coat is from the Danielle Bernstein fall collection. And then I have on this little ribbed top that I got from Fabric, Uncommon James Jewelry. And then my little bag is also from Zara. And here's a little boot close-up. So I will catch you guys later. So time for dinner. Wow, this looks, well, it looks good. So mom was like, mom, it looked a little strange on camera. So mom made a dish from Olive Garden. So it has chicken, pasta, peas, a bottle of Italian Olive Garden dressing, and Parmesan. And cream cheese is in there as well. Yeah. And then we also just have like some garlic bread to have with it. So we're about to dig in.
Appreciate that endorsement.
It looked weird at first. Well, it showed like no color.
Well, that's why I put the peas in it.
Okay, taste test. Live and in action. It's good, Mom. It tastes like the dressing. Well, being that you put an entire bottle in it. Yum. So as you saw, we watched Last Christmas. That was the first time I've ever seen that movie. And to be honest, I do not think I needed to watch that movie in my current mental state. Maybe one day I'll go into more detail about that, but it has to do with love and finding your person and what makes them your person. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't need to dig an even bigger hole for myself. So what we're going to do is we're going to get ready to go to bed because that's all I'm in the mood to do right now. So as promised, I'm going to take you through my night skincare routine. Gotta get this makeup off, so I'm just using the Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes by the Up and Up brand. That's the Target brand, and these are comparable to the Neutrogena makeup wipes. Honestly, in my opinion, the Up and Up brand is a lot more soft on my face. For some reason, in my opinion, the Neutrogena ones, they just feel gritty. I don't know if you've ever used them before, but I don't know. These definitely just feel like they have a lot of product in them, and they're not scraping my face. Also, while we were watching our little movie, I painted my nails. They are Grinch green, literally Grinch green. This was a Grinch collection that they did with OPI. I don't know the name of it, but it's like the main green sparkly one. So makeup is off. The first thing I do is go in with an exfoliator. You can use whatever your preferred exfoliator is, but I think exfoliating is very, very important, especially during the nighttime, because it opens your pores, it gets the dead skin off, gets dirt out, and then you can put like all of your treatments and stuff on your face and it'll soak in better. So this is also by the Up and Up brand. It's the Skin Refreshing Apricot Scrub. I just found that this one is the most gentle on my skin. It's gritty enough and it doesn't really dissolve, which I like because, you know, I want my skin to be as smooth as possible. And then once I wipe that off, I go in with the Mario Badescu Seaweed Cleansing Soap. I've used this forever and it's the most gentle on my skin. It does not break me out. And then to work that product in, I use this Foreo dupe. You could certainly purchase the Foreo if you would like. But I got mine off of Amazon for like $12 and it does the job amazingly. I've noticed a ton of difference in my skin texture and also redness and discoloration around my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So once my face is completely dry, I go in with the Ole Henriksen Glow 2.0 Dark Spot Toner. I absolutely love this because it has made a tremendous difference in the appearance of my acne scars and hyperpigmentation and discoloration and all that fun stuff. So I just put it on about half of a cotton round and go over the majority of my face, and I really like to work it in the areas where there is more pigment. And I put this on first because there's nothing else that goes on my face besides my moisturizer afterward, so this can be drying until I go in with the moisturizer. Next, I'll do my eye cream. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift eye cream. This is newer in my skincare routine and I really like it. It's supposed to help with like fine lines and aging around your eyes. I particularly work it into my under eye near my waterline just because that's where I see the most lines. Next, I go in with the L'Oreal Collagen Moisture Filler. I mentioned that I used this on my face and I did not like it because it broke me out a little bit and it did not help my breakouts go away. So instead, what I've been doing is taking a little dollop on the tip of my finger and just rubbing it into my neck. I've noticed that I have quite a few lines on my neck. Don't really understand why I'm aging there first. I thought about it and like I wonder if this is true. When I bend my neck, where it like bends and folds is where those lines are, and I think it's from looking at my phone. Like, how ridiculous is that? And then the next place I put it, which is really random, I don't know, it's a line filler. I put a little dollop on the inside of my elbows. Sometimes I'll take it on the outside, but I've actually noticed a difference in the lines in these places. So I mean, it's working. I just don't like using it on my face. Next, I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of my topical acne treatment. This is clindamycin. Yes, I got it prescribed. You can't just buy it on the shelf, but I finally popped this pimple, which was a very strange place to get it because I actually naturally have a beauty mark right here. And so it was right underneath that, which is very strange. I've been using tea tree oil, which works great for like swelling and stuff. But as far as treating goes, I want to put this on there tonight. I've got that party tomorrow and this needs to be diminished as much as possible because I want to take some very good photos. And then the last step is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. I have mentioned before, I prefer the gel over the lotion because it's light, it dries, but it's still very moisturizing. And when I use this, I don't usually have any breakouts in the morning, so this definitely helps with that. So I am just gonna finish up my night by brushing my teeth, and then I'm gonna finish editing this video and go to sleep. So thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas Day 7. Is that correct? I think it's correct. Subscribe if you aren't already, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 8. Bye!